everyone, welcome to this week's drone video. We are going to be unboxing two different drones that I was able to get. These two drones are from ScharkSpark. One of them is the FQ36 and the other is the FQ35. Both of these drones are available on Amazon. They are marketed towards the beginner drone pilot, so these are just Wi-Fi drones that you will be able to fly using your Android or iOS device. These are two different sizes and they do pretty much the same thing, but like I said, two different sizes. They also have very similar features, but today what we're going to be doing is just opening these up so you can see what's inside the box, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about the price. So the first one we're going to open up is the FQ36. This is $64.99 on Amazon, and it comes with two batteries, extra propellers. It does a lot of different modes, and we're going to have videos discussing that later on. So when you open up the box, you will get all of the manuals. Whoops. It comes with a 3-year warranty, free battery if you do a quick questionnaire. And this is what you'll see inside. It is packaged with foam and it comes with its own remote. So it's one of these smaller remotes. Not bad for kids with small hands. I also have small hands, so it's not too bad for me. So if you have big hands, this might not feel that great for you. This is the drone all folded up. Comes with propeller guards, extra propellers and a charging cable, a battery, and looks like a phone holder for your phone. The drone unfolds, and it is about the size of a Tello. So here I have the Tello on the side, and if I put them up next to each other, they're pretty much the same size. I do have propeller guards on my Tello, but you can see here the diagonal of the two drones are pretty much almost the same. So the Tello, just to remind you, is $100 and this is $64.99. So it is cheaper. So if you're looking for a cheaper drone, this might be something for you. This also folds up, so it's actually a smaller form factor than the Tello when you're just carrying it around. So I'm going to now put this to the side, and we're going to open up the FQ35. With the FQ35, it is $89.99. You can also buy extra batteries, as I mentioned before, for $14.99, and it also comes with extra propellers. So when you open it up, you get the same manuals, warranty, and the drone controller are in its own inserts with foam. So I'm just going to open up the drone first just to show you the size. So the FQ35 is bigger than the FQ36. So if I were to compare sizes, I'm just going to unfold this. So if I were to compare sizes, this is what it will look like. So it is a lot bigger. I can also compare it to my Mavic Pro. It is a little smaller than my Mavic Pro. So if you're looking for something heftier to fly, this might be a good option for you. It is still cheaper than the Tello. It does almost all of the different things that the Tello does. So this might be something, just cheap for you to play with and just learn on. The drone comes with its own controller, and if you take a look at the controller, it looks very, very similar to a Mavic controller. The size is the same, and it also has the two antennas just like a Mavic Pro controller. It comes with an extra battery, one extra battery, and propeller guards, and a charging cable. So both of these drones fly for about 10 minutes, and it's a good option. I know the Tello is about 11 to 12 minutes. I do have a video where I tested the battery life indoors as well as outdoors in very light wind. So I'm also going to be doing that with these two drones just to test the battery life. And I'm also going to be talking about the app and how it feels to fly it in future videos. I want to thank Peter Tran at ScharkSpark for sending me these drones so that I would be able to do comparison videos for you guys for the next few weeks. And I am going to be breaking down the app and everything like that in the next video. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video of me unboxing these two drones. If you want to see more of these videos, just hit subscribe and they will be coming out in the next few weeks. So with that, I want to thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.